Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, I say how to use resource controller instead of this controller. Instead controller, one controller, instead 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 controller. Okay, I define and resource controller. Okay, I open in terminal and PHP Artisan, and PHP Artisan make controller. Okay, say make controller name, and for controller, if I found, not important, I say make controller, for example, blog, I say article, in admin article controller. Okay, I say article controller, and in use type R. With R, we can access a resource controller. If click enter, controller already exists. Open controller, admin article controller. I use this for article, and change name to blog controller. And if click enter, created, and close this, we can remove article controller and use it in blog controller. By default, define it public index, create, store, show, edit, update, destroy. Okay, one controller, I move all data to this. Okay, Alt Enter for change, and change, and change, and use change. Okay, and create this method, and store, use this method, and remove this, and use blog request. Okay, update this, update this, update this. Okay, and use edit method, move to edit, and use update method, and update. If you see, defaultly defined in request and $id in resource controller. Blog request, and change, alt enter, and destroy, change this. Okay, this, and article, I delete of article controller, and change article to blog, blog controller. Okay, I use it blog controller, and remove this, and import this, import this, and remove all other, and say use resource and use this one controller instead any controller. Okay, in this just remove this and this. Okay, just say plugs and plug controller and class. Okay, I call plugs and target class does not exist. Okay, and I remove this. I remove it article controller, and if use it in plug and say in which line request article controller, I call public PHP artisan route cache and route clear for clear route error. Okay, it is work and true. Route plug create not found, which in index.blade.php. Okay, I call PHP artisan route list true and route list admin plug and create plugs create. Okay, plugs create in open index and say for index in admin plugs and find route admin route plugs create. Refresh, it is true work. If create admin post and for create plugs create and plugs store, change it to route name defaultly resource defined name in routes and close this and open create, and in create I change it this to plugs store. Refresh and it is work a and submit, and okay, it is a request to work, submit and submit this and work. Okay, and for and edit, we can edit to work and we can change to this submit, but not work. Why not work? Because not work update plugs update. I use this route in edit. I use this this form action and just call route plugs create, and we can use article ID for plugs update and use $article ID. Sorry, remove this and use this $article and ID. Okay, and submit and refresh to reload and edit this slug and submit. It is work post submit and it is changed. Okay, new post and this update is work and check delete and and delete it is work. I used resource controller instead 6 or 7 route. I instead used one route resource instead 6 or 7 route. Thank you.